Yo, what's up guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a house tour of a hotel. Boom. So first of all, I come in, you see my sister, my cousin that is right there. You see this beside the yellow. And then you see my backpack and you see the view from here. Look at that, guys. Look at this. I'm coming out. Look at this. Oh yeah. Look at building by building. Everywhere. Oh yes. Look at that. Look at. We would have a pool down there. I don't know if this is the pool. We got a pool right there. And then I think there is another pool right there. I don't know if you see it. Right there. And yeah, there's tons of food and stuff like that. Alright. And then you see the TV right there. The TV. And then yeah, so this is a little room, a little place for us to put stuff in and stuff like that. And then you come here, there is a bunk bed here, which my sister's gonna sleep on the top, my sister's gonna sleep on the top, and I'm gonna sleep at the bottom. There's a ladder to go up there, which is super cool. It's white and it's so cool. And then you go down this hallway. Right here we have a bathroom. And pretty much, there's nothing. It's regular. There's a shower over there, there's a toilet over there, and there's a sink over there. There's some things over here, and everything. And then here's where my mom and my dad are gonna sleep in the master room. Turn on the lights. You can see there's a little thing right there. We got a fan up right there. Up there, and we got switches here too, and then we have the air conditioner here, aircon. We got some table here so my dad can do his work here. We have a little chair over here as well. We got the view from out here. Look at that. Look at the view from here. So we can see the pool from there too. Look at that. There's a pool right there. So cool. It's right there. Yeah. Alright, so that's the room. It's pretty small, but it's still good. So let's go back out. And this is my part of it. So this is my room, my bed that I'm gonna be sleeping on. And that's it. So yeah. So here's me, guys. Hi. And so yeah, so that's it. This house, not house, but a room tour. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to post notifications. This is super sick. I got a nice hotel, a nice room. We even have 3 key cards, so it's super cool. We got tons of stuff on the key card, and the card. There are 2 key card to the room and 1 key card to the parking. So this is also really cool as well too. So yeah, guys, I can't expose what room I am in because YouTube might block it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.